है। मेरी बहन ने मुझे बहुत मारा। बहुत मारा। बहुत मारा। मैं ना तू करके बात करता था।
अच्छा,
मतलब
गुस्से
ऐसी
में या ऐसी?
नहीं नहीं, ऐसी मेरे को आदत थी तू करके बात।
हाँ,
एक दिन पता नहीं क्या हो गया, दीदी को पता नहीं क्या गुस्सा चढ़ गया, भाई साहब ऐसा मारा मुझे, मैं त निकलना ही बंद हो गया मुंह से मेरे। आ ही निकलता था, आप कैसे हो,
आप
आप क्या कर रहे हो। उफ।
आपने शादी और डांस की बात की। हम
हाँ।
लोग मैं ममता मॉडल में था, विकासपुरी
हम्म।
में। तो मैं हॉस्टल
हम्म।
में रहता था।
हम्म।
घर से लड़ाई हुई, लड़ाई मतलब डैड ने कहा तू, मैं आई वाज इन एपीएस, अ
हम्म।
बेटर स्कूल
हम्म।
स्टडी वाइज, पर
हम्म।
आई रियली वांटेड टू प्ले फुटबॉल एंड फुटबॉल वाज बिग इन ममता मॉडर्न।
हम्म।
तो मैं टीसी वीसी करवा कर बिना बोले टीसी
हम्म।
वीसी लेकर अपने स्कूल में ममता मॉडल में भर्ती हो गया।
हम्म।
मेरे डैड आए आर्मी से वापस एंड ही
हम्म।
वेंट मैड।
हम्म।
तो घर में बहुत ज्यादा रोना वोना हुआ। मम्मी
हम्म।
बहन रो रही है, डैड कह रही है, वो वगैरह वगैरह जो भी है। बट बाद
हम्म।
में सॉल्व हो गया।
हम्म।
तो मैं ममता मॉडल में था, हम लोग हॉस्टल में थे। मैं
हम्म।
दिल्ली में रहते हुए भी मैं ममता मॉडल में था।
हाँ।
तो लड़कों ने जुगाड़ निकलवाया कि भाई शादियों में सिर्फ पैंट शर्ट की जरूरत है, तो
हम्म।
दो लड़के फुटबॉल टीम से निकलेंगे,
हम्म।
शादी में जाके नाचेंगे, हाँ हम शर्मा जी के बेटे, हम ये हैं, खाना भर के पूरी टीम के लिए ले आएंगे। तो, तो अक्टूबर नवंबर दिसंबर के टाइम पे शादी होती है पूरे
हाँ।
वेस्ट दिल्ली में,
हाँ।
विकासपुरी में, तिलक नगर में, उत्तर नगर में।
हाँ।
लड़के चले जाएंगे।
हम्म।
तो मैं कभी नहीं आता था।
हम्म।
मैं उनको प्लानिंग बताता था। एक दिन उन्होंने कहा कि तू चले जा। मैंने कहा
हम्म।
भाई तू मुझे देख, मैं कहाँ से बोलूंगा भाई कि मैं शर्मा जी का लड़का हूँ। मुझे मेरे को नहीं मानने वाले कि मैं शर्मा जी का लड़का हूं। एक बार इनको पकड़ लिया दो को। इनको इतना पेला उन्होंने, इतना मारा इन्होंने, किसी ने पकड़ लिया इन दोनों को।
हम भी गए बड़े
उसके बाद
खाने
से फिर
खाने।
वो सिस्टम भी बंद हो गया।
हाँ, हम भी बहुत गए खाना खाने। मैंने एक मेरा एक स्पेशल पैसे इकट्ठे करके कपड़े खरीदे थे शादियों के लिए, जो मतलब लगे,
किसकी भी
इनविटेशन ना
शादी?
मांग ले, वैसे वाले कपड़े। हाँ, मतलब लगना चाहिए कि ये जान पहचान वाले ही होंगे। अगर कपड़े थोड़े नीचे के हुए तो पक्का बोल देंगे
हाँ,
किसने इनविटेशन दिया है।
सवाल।
अगर
हाँ,
थोड़े
सवाल
कपड़े
आ
ऐसे होने
जाएगा।
चाहिए कि पूछे ना कोई, एंट्री कपड़ों पे है, हाथ में कुछ होना हो, तो
ट्रू,
पैर वैर
ट्रू।
छूने पड़े तो छू दो एक दो, उसके बाद
स्ट्रेट,
चलो
हाँ
जी
स्ट्रेट पैर छू के आ
सीधा
गया,
अंदर।
पैर छू के आगे।
और जाके पहले आधे घंटे में हमने पेल देने, कुछ नहीं
हाँ,
छोड़ना। साला ट्रेस ही ना मिले, ज्यादा देर रुकना ही नहीं, वहां 45 मिनट
निकल
में
जाना
बाहर।
सीधा, खा के निकल जाना है।
हाँ, हजम
और
हो ना
गुस्सा उन
हो,
पे आता
निकलो
था।
खा के।
और गुस्सा आता था, अभी यार स्वीट डिश भी पड़ा, मैं छोड़ ना स्वीट डिश यार, खाना खा लिया पेट भले, निकल अब। नहीं यार वो उधर पकोड़े पड़े हुए, मैं कहा चल भाग ऐसे, निकल ऐसे। वो क्या टाइम था यार, क्या
कमाल
टाइम
कमाल,
था।
मजा वही था यार।
अच्छा, खाने की
क्लास।
खाने की बात आ रही है। मेरा नेक्स्ट सवाल आपको खाने को लेकर है, लेकिन उसके पहले
हम्म।
आई वांट टू हैव अ स्मॉल चैट विद यू दैट मैं आपसे मिला एक, आई थिंक इट वाज एट मैरियट्स आफ्टर द मैच, द फुटबॉल मैच दैट यू गाइस
हम्म।
प्लेड. And that is the time when I
यस।
realized how
यस।
specific you are about your diet and your sleep. And I was highly impressed
हम्म।
because
हम्म।
that's the moment when
हम्म।
maybe I was going through this phase where I really wanted to be exact as possible. And then I saw you
हम्म।
doing this. And then, of
हम्म।
course, our friendship grew and we talk.
हम्म।
How
हम्म।
important was it for you to make sure that you eat well, train as hard as possible, and sleep well?
It was everything for me. Matlab, I would not take credit for this. Yes, you put in the work, but someone has to give you direction. For me,
True.
the biggest factor, the biggest milestone from my career changing to a certain template to another template, which is now, is Mr. Shankar Basu. He was the
Okay.
trainer of RCB for years, and then he became the trainer of the Indian team.
Hmm.
Uh, Everyone loved his work. He was
Hmm.
the one who, in 2015, told me, "I am going to introduce you to lifting."
Hmm.
तो ये clean, power snatch, ये सब
Hmm.
explosive stuff.
Hmm.
So I was a bit hesitant because your shoulder है, back का मेरा पहले issue था. He said, "I will make sure that your body and your fitness transforms. You have to trust me." So he
And
just
was
said
it a
that
new
much.
concept? Was it a new
Yeah,
concept?
it was
Okay.
totally
Okay.
new. In cricket, it was totally new. Matlab, at least for us,
Okay.
we hadn't
Okay.
seen it. I don't know if other countries were doing it or not.
Hmm.
So
Hmm.
he said, "You just and you have to have faith in what I'm saying to you." So
Hmm.
I literally just had total faith in him कि आप जो बोलोगे मैं करूंगा.
Hmm.
करते करते
Hmm.
करते within 3 weeks the results that came forward, I was amazed. उसके बाद से then he started telling me, now I'll tell you what to eat when, क्या खाना है, कैसे खाना है. Then what happened was I started having a feel of it myself, कि क्या हो रहा है, क्या reaction हो रहा है body का, 3 weeks, 4 weeks, month, 2 months, what am I feeling. I started paying attention to what was happening inside rather than focusing about कि ये अच्छा हो जाए fitness में, वो अच्छा हो जाए. I started listening to my body a lot more. So that's when I realized that because of my gene, which is, not lean and, not naturally lanky and lean, I have to work probably twice or thrice as hard as a guy who's naturally lean and ripped and, who can afford to sort of have cheat days and eat and all that. Which I thought, what I'm getting out of life, what I'm getting out of my career, people keep saying ki yaar, hats off, isne kya kiya hai. I am doing the basic requirement that my job requires me to do. If I am not the best version of myself, then I am being disrespectful.
This is the exact thing that I loved so much about that meeting of ours, because this is the exact thing you told me, that so many privileges you have got because of this game. And you told me the least I can do is train as much as I can, eat well and sleep well.
Yeah.
I can never forget that.
No, because, people keep saying, oh, great, he's doing this or that. And I'm like, boss, I'm doing what my job requires me to do.
True.
And for me to be my best version of myself, I have to do what I'm doing. My hard work might be twice or thrice as more more than someone else, because मेरी body वैसी type की है. मुझे ये सब और strictly करना पड़ता है. Now, I think I'm being respectful to the opportunity that I have in life. I'm not doing anyone a favor. I'm literally living up to a responsibility, the place that I'm in, and giving my best output every time that I go on the field. If I can't give my 100% every time that I go on the field, I'm not being honest to this sport. And if I'm dishonest to the sport, I can't sleep at night. It's as simple as that.
That
so
well
why
said, man.
I eat well, I train well, and I'm like a maniac. Till the day I'm playing the sport, I'll be like a maniac, because as you saw in the documentary, when you see things like that, you're like, bloody hell, this is what I feel, this is what I live every day.
Exactly. The same feeling came to me. Yeah.
If people are coming to watch me, if people are coming to see what I present on the field, it is my responsibility to be at my best. It is not a favor to show someone, देखो मैं कितनी मेहनत करता हूँ और ये है वो है. ऐसा नहीं होता है. You're playing for your country, and if you can't work hard, then you shouldn't be here. There's someone better always wanting to work harder than you.
True. I think why I asked you this is because my next question, which is A and B, relates to this. I talk to a lot of people that are around you, including, I won't take the player's name, but few players, few people that know you. Let's not drop names, but all of them said that the aggressive attitude that you see on Virat when he's playing, he's very calm when the game is over. You will hardly see him losing calm. And now I get the point, because when you say, I just want to give him 100%, and that's my work, rest, is it also because of that? Because I've given my 100%, you will win and you will lose. That's the nature of the game. And then you're calm and you can sleep better because you've given 100%.
Yeah, that is my output of giving more than 100% every time I go on the field. And it doesn't finish when I'm batting. Batting में फिर भी आपके सामने एक target होता है. You should be able to give 100% when you're fielding a ball. कि एक run भी नहीं जाना चाहिए extra. Bloody hell, if I scratch myself, I scratch myself. But if I don't give my 100% in a 50-over ODI, from first over to the 100th over, एक ball पे अगर आप full अपना पूरा effort नहीं दे रहे हो, even when I'm sitting outside clapping for someone else, it doesn't mean कि batting नहीं हुई या fielding में हो गया तो दिन खत्म हो गया. नहीं. The day ends when you pack your bag and you sit in the bus.
Yeah,
the
and that's what
before that.
And that's what Chahal told me, and of course I have to take his name because he's here, that वो उनके words में वो आगे से इतना कुछ करते हैं कि हमें अपने आप फॉलो करने का मन करता है. और विराट भाई को मैंने कभी गुस्सा होते देखा नहीं है. वो कभी मैच हारने के बाद चिल्लाते नहीं है. वो सिर्फ एक चीज बोलते हैं, अपना बेस्ट दो. और फिर मैंने उनको और खरोदा कि कभी तो गाली देते होंगे, कभी चीखते होंगे. कहते नहीं, कभी नहीं चीखते हैं. और उसने एक और अच्छी बात बोली कि विराट कोहली के पास आप अपने पर्सनल प्रॉब्लम, फाइनेंस प्रॉब्लम, ये प्रॉब्लम सब लेके जाते हैं. हाउ ट्रू इज इट?
See, ये चीज over a period of time आप realize करते हो, and I have always said this, because of I wasn't this person always.
Yeah,
I truly believe that everyone has a giving, a compassionate side to them, but there always is an individual that comes in your life who brings it out. And
true.
for me, meeting Anushka was that
Yeah,
moment where, I started to realize that this is not all about me.
true.
Life is to look at another person and live like that. So then you become confident of who you are, and you
Yeah.
become confident of giving, of being compassionate. तो ये mindset मुझे, after I met Anushka, she made me realize that, the position that I'm in, it is so important for me to try and change things around me for the better. तो ये सब चीजें उसके बाद से मुझे realize होनी शुरू हुई. And these things for me, records, numbers, ये वो, so I do not care about them. जो हो रहा है, जो चल रहा है, ठीक है. To make my team win, I will try and do anything possible. In that process, whatever happens, if people love seeing numbers, up to them. But it's never about the numbers. It's about what you are doing, the mindset you take on the field, the effort you put. More than that, what makes me feel truly, justified to be in the position that I am, is being able to impact another person in a positive manner. अगर कोई मुझे उठ के कल को ये बोले कि आपके बात करने की वजह से, या आपने जो मेरे को बताया उसकी वजह से मुझे बहुत हेल्प मिली, और ट्रूली मेरा पूरा माइंडसेट चेंज हो गया, nothing pleases me more than that. If I can share my mindset with someone else and see them succeed, there is no better feeling. And that's something that I think everyone should strive to do. तो मेरे पास कोई प्रॉब्लम लेके आता है, if I am in a position to do it, I will always and always do it.
That's really sweet. That's really sweet. So हमारे 5 सवाल खत्म हो गए, and I hope
हाँ.
चाहल सर खुश है कि मैंने उनके सवाल पूछ लिया. I have a small rapid fire.
हाँ.
I don't have to ask you to be rapid because you're always like that. You're always feisty. So let's see. The first one, Virat Kohli saab. The one knock in international cricket you wish you had played.
Sharjah 98, Desert Storm.
Which one? The first one, same final or the final?
First one.
The 140 something.
हाँ. जब qualify किए थे. First one.
Man, I imagine I don't watch cricket in between, but that match I remember, man. What a game. What a game.
Yeah.
Okay, the second one. The undisputed all-time king of backward point is
John T. Rhodes.
Didn't even think. Okay. How good was he, man? I saw a video where he got man of the match for 7 catches against West Indies.
आप वो छोड़ो. आप अभी लेजेंड्स का मैच हुआ था ना, बॉम्बे में 2 मैचेस हुए थे.
अच्छा.
वेस्ट इंडीज एंड आई थिंक इट वाज मिक्स. बहुत कंट्रीज के आए थे प्लेयर्स, एंड सचिन पाजी वाज देयर, ब्रायन लारा वाज देयर, एवरीवन वाज प्लेइंग टुगेदर. जस्ट लुक एट हिम इन दैट. ही इज व्हाट 45 प्लस.
Yeah.
I saw him diving for a ball in that game. He flew. I just saw someone flying. I was like, ये कोई youngster खिलाया हो क्या? बाद में दिखाया John T, and you're still running around like that. Unbelievable. Best ever.
Yeah. All right. The third question. One player from the Indian team with the worst possible football touch. Because I know you guys play warm-up football. So who has the worst football touch?
अभी?
हाँ.
कुलदीप यादव. वो इतना बड़ा फुटबॉल का फैन है, और नेमार का इतना बड़ा फैन है. मतलब जब वो सिर्फ या तो ऑनलाइन खेल सकता है, या देखने में लगता है यार बड़ा फुटबॉल का वो लग रहा है, प्रोफेशनल, इसको बहुत आइडिया है. बॉल दे दो सामने, उसके बस की नहीं है. फुटबॉल नहीं, चांस ही नहीं है.
Okay, Kuldeep, I'm so sorry. Yeah.
ठुड्डे मारता है, ठुड्डे.
Okay, this is a good one. ठुड्डा बोलने वाला था मैं भी. ठुड्डे मार.
आ गया.
बड़ा गुस्सा आता था जब लोग ठुड्डे मारते हैं. बड़ा गुस्सा आता था जब इधर. Okay, this is a good one. You need 3 runs of the last ball. Okay? And you can choose the bowler. I'm giving you 2 options. One is Shane Warne and one is Waqar Younis. And why I'm giving you is because I know about these, I've watched them.
Hmm.
So either you can pick Shane Warne or Waqar Younis, and you need 3 runs of the last ball. I know it's a difficult task, but who would you choose to
To
face?
defend?
Yeah,
To
no, not
face?
defend. You have to, yeah, you have to make 3 runs to win the match,
Uh,
and you can either choose Shane Warne to
hmm.
face for the last ball or Waqar Younis.
I would choose Waqar Younis because Shane Warne hardly bowled in the death. Firstly,
Okay.
secondly, I would believe in myself in hitting his Yorkers. I would back
Okay.
myself. So I
And
would
were you
choose.
able to play against him? Because I think it didn't
I
match
played
his
against Shane
retirement.
Warne.
Okay, but you didn't play against Waqar Younis.
No, he made me look stupid in IPL 2009. Shane Warne.
Okay.
Then there was a game in Rajasthan, and he was the
Hmm.
captain in 2011.
Hmm.
I played decent there. I didn't hit him. He
Hmm.
didn't get me out, but we won the game. I remained not out.
Hmm.
And that's when he told me something after the game that never bite
Hmm.
back, never say anything back to the bowler. Obviously, I didn't listen because
Clearly.
मेरी गाड़ी उसी से चलती है तो मैंने कहा चलने दो.
Okay, this is a good one because I know you are a fan also.
Hmm.
One Sachin Tendulkar stroke you could steal overnight and make your own.
Wow, there's so many.
Yeah, I thought so.
The ease with which he played the lap shot, that delicate
Sit
little
and behind.
हाँ, ऐसे.
Yeah.
It's just, unbelievable. I never saw him miss it. Unbelievable control.
There was
Oh.
one where he used to
हाँ.
bat like this behind.
Yeah.
Not that
MS
one.
also does it.
That one.
MS also does it very well.
Yeah.
But he was the one who started it, like,
Yeah.
tapped it on the head. But वो जो delicate वाला था एक lap shot, that was amazing control. I could never play that shot well, so I would look to steal that. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, the next one. The one mindless movie you can watch over and over again for laughs.
अंदाज अपना.
Crime Master Gogo. कुछ आया हो तो लेकर जाऊंगा.
उसके ऊपर कुछ नहीं है. उसके ऊपर कुछ नहीं है.
आपने मूवी देखी है अंदाज अपना इज माय फेवरेट आल्सो. आपने मूवी देखी है जानो भी दो यारो.
हाँ, देखिए.
दमेलो सर
बहुत पसंद है. ढोल देखी है आपने?
ढोल भी अच्छी है.
उसमें एक डायलॉग
ढोल भी अच्छी.
वो दुकान बना रहे होते हैं. वो अपनी दुकान खोल रहे होते हैं. तो बोलता है यार कोई ऐसा नाम बता जो फटाक से मुंह से निकले. वो कहता है थूक. राजपाल यादव. वो भी ऐसी मूवी में कभी भी देखता हूँ ना, मेरी हंसी नहीं रुकती. वो क्लास.
बट अंदाज अपना इज क्लास मैन. वो बिना गन के लड़ रहे होते हैं और एवरी कैरेक्टर मैन.
For that time, that was अलग level movie.
Super man. What a movie, man. What a movie.
Yeah.
Okay, the next one is, I think I know the answer, but I still ask for people. The one non-cricket athlete who makes your jaw drop when you watch him or her live perform.
Live as in on TV?
On TV.
You know the answer.
Yeah, I know. But I want people to know about it. Please go on.
Cristiano Ronaldo.
Yeah. Now, before I go to the next question.
नहीं,
Yeah.
मैं explain भी कर देता हूँ. There are many great.
That's why I want it. Yeah.
All over. There are many great athletes, and there are people that you've looked up to. There are people that play in a manner that is amazing. But for a guy to turn up for big games that regularly, and the thing that stood out was he went to